Today on Designing Spaces, keeping your gatherings welcoming while staying sustainable and stylish with Glen Dimplex America electric fireplaces. Transforming your bathroom into a personal oasis. Pool tips to keep you swimming in crystal clear water. And speaking of H2O, learning more about the #1 choice for water management solutions from NDS. Time to design. Fireplaces are the heart of a home, a center for gathering, connection, and family reunion, a cozy space to build and nurture our relationships. But gathering around it, let's face it, has become a challenge for homeowners that put sustainability, luxury, and safety at the core of their home improvements. As the winter months fast approach, Designing Spaces traveled to Westchester County, just 30 minutes north of New York City. There, we visited a Dimplex showroom to explore an array of electric fireplaces for the stylish and environmentally conscious host, perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any home.
The 3 biggest reasons that people should consider switching to electric fireplaces are safety, sustainability, and versatility. Dimplex's ambition is to help people along the path to a more sustainable lifestyle.
Dimplex offers a full array of electric fireplaces, and we have sizes anywhere from 50 to 100 inches.
They are almost zero maintenance. Once they're installed and they're ready to go, you don't need to clean them, you don't need to get them checked regularly, it's hassle-free.
Not only are Dimplex fireplaces some of the most efficient on the market, but they're also the safest. I mean, there's no real combustion. So a child or your pet could literally cozy up right next to the fireplace and you never have to worry about them ever getting burned.
A myth about electric fireplaces is that they don't heat. And that's just simply not true.
Our Comfort Saver heating system can run on either 110 or 220 volts. And it will sip electricity 1 watt at a time, making it the most efficient electric heater you can buy on the market today.
Another myth is that they're not authentic. They don't look and feel like a real fire.
Our Optimist fireplace is a true replacement. We're using vapor technology to create real life, authentic looking flames without any gas and without any combustion.
It gives you a full immersive experience of a fireplace without all of the negative downsides of having an actual fire in your home.
So my customers are very satisfied with the efficiency and the quality of these units. Never had a call back on anything.
I'm very happy with the Dimplex line currently that we have. Haven't had any problem.
They look good.
They look fabulous.
And we use it often.
We do use it a lot.
We like to have family over. We have a lot of dinners, a lot of parties, and we usually always have it on.
I would recommend Dimplex products to my customers. They're very easy to maintain. They are very realistic and they're very good quality.
Looking for a sustainable fireplace is a big enough task for a homeowner. But if we also want it to be a design statement, then things get more complicated. Dimplex has the perfect combination of style and efficiency, with options to create an Instagram-worthy hearth.
Dimplex offers limitless customization. You can build the centerpiece of your room in a very contemporary, modern style. You can be very traditional. You can have a country environment to create the most amazing centerpiece for any room, a place that you'd be proud to entertain friends and family 365 days of the year.
When you install a gas or a wood-burning fireplace, a lot of times you're spending a lot of money behind the wall. With an electric fireplace, that gives you the opportunity to use that same budget and spend all that money in front of the wall. We're trying to get the word out, and we're doing so in a big way. We have a mobile showroom that travels all over North America to bring our products to you.
As the world moves towards a more electrified future, it's not just things like electric cars that are going to be important. It's also electric heating sources, giving your family a place to gather around where you don't have to burn gas, you don't have to burn wood, you don't have to worry about maintenance and cleaning and the environmental impacts of combustion.
At our core, we are looking at sustainability. We're looking into the future at how we can make people more comfortable in their homes.
As the father of a young daughter, it's really, really important for me to be doing something that is setting the stage for her future. I love being part of an organization whose mission is to help lead the way in a transition to a more sustainable world, while also creating elegant, design-rich products that can be the center point for anybody's home.
It's the place we get ready, energized for the day, and unwind at the end of our day. And well, maybe the only room in the house we can't live without, the bathroom. So making it a functional oasis should be a top priority.
Hi, my name is Dana, and this is our home. I live here with my husband, our 2 kids, and our 2 dogs. When we were deciding on what we wanted in our perfect bathroom, one was definitely a larger shower. We wanted to see if we could combine the original closets to make a larger one. The room definitely gets very cold, so we were looking to heat that up some way. We also wanted to add plenty of storage.
Over the past 7 years, Kohler's talented team of designers has helped over 3,000 homeowners across America reimagine their bathroom spaces.
When Dana and her husband came to the design service, they did have some ideas in mind.
When we did hear about the Kohler Bathroom Design Services, it was a great option for us because we had already found a contractor to work with, but he was not able to help with the design. One request that my husband had was to include a bidet seat, and we were able to include that in the design.
They worked with Mary Catherine to help bring in all those final details. So although they had a few things that they knew they wanted, there were other things that they needed help and guidance with.
One of the challenges was definitely working within the space that we had, trying to fit in everything that we wanted while not actually expanding the space. We also wanted the space to reflect our design and also keeping in design with the house as well.
My name is Mary Catherine. I'm from New Orleans. I've been working with Kohler Bathroom Design Services for about 3 years, and I'm a bathroom interior designer. There are so many moving components to the bathroom that are very important, like plumbing, electrical, HVAC, that you have to work with. So many different factors that go into the client or the user using the space that we designed for, and then you also want to think about resale value. That's why I think that redesigning a bathroom is so different than in the rest of the house.
Kohler Bathroom Design Services starts online at kohler.com/design services. The service is virtual. It includes 3 Zoom meetings with your designer.
A big part of our design service is listening to the client and then taking their vision and make it come to life.
So we were able to set up and schedule 3 meetings with our designer, Mary Catherine, and she made the process so easy for us.
For meeting 1, I received the floor plan and the photos submitted by the client, and they also take a survey. In that survey, it's going to pertain to your style. We're going to talk about different solutions into the bathroom and what you're looking for. We go over budget.
In the second meeting, the designer is putting together 2 mood boards. And those mood boards include the Kohler product, anything that kind of came out of those discussions that were previously had with the homeowner.
For meeting 3, we basically go over the plumbing fixtures that are selected, and then we go over the renderings and the floor plan reveal.
The reaction from the homeowners is amazing. They're just blown away. They look at that rendering and they know it's their bathroom. Everything is to dimension. Everything that's selected will fit in that bathroom space. It gives the homeowner confidence in all of the choices that they've made through those 3 meetings, and it prepares them to move forward with their remodel.
We were able to take the designs that we made with Mary Catherine, hand them over to our contractor, and he was able to start right away building out the bathroom, and we could see it come to life.
Kohler family of brands offers a comprehensive catalog of products. So we're not just talking about the plumbing products. So we have the faucets, we have the shower heads, we have the vanities, the sinks, the bathtubs. But we also can supply tile choices, lighting options. We go through paint choices. Every detail is considered.
I feel like we were able to get the bathroom that we've always wanted. I absolutely love my bathroom.
To learn more about designing your dream bathroom, visit Kohler.com/design services or visit us at designingspaces.tv for more information.
Hey, it's Jake, your Hossa resident pool expert, and before you dive in, let's talk about how to keep your pool clean all season long. Keeping your pool looking amazing and safe requires the regular addition of chlorine. There are several options when it comes to chlorine.
Chlorine serves a couple of purposes in the pool. First, it gets rid of things that are harmful to human beings. And then chlorine's second job is to oxidize. And that's to break down the contaminants in the pool so we turn them back into their original elements, maybe a water and a carbon. And that's what makes a pool sparkling. So chlorine does serve two purposes, and that's to make that water safe so we don't get sick. And it's also responsible for making that water look super, super clear.
There are different types of chlorine available. Dry granular in tablets, granular shock, or liquid pool chlorine for shock and daily sanitization. Dry chlorine contains byproducts that can build up and cause challenges in pool maintenance, while liquid chlorine is the purest, safest, and easiest form to use. Plus, liquid chlorine is faster acting and doesn't leave behind any unwanted byproducts that can affect water quality.
Every chlorine choice out there does have a byproduct that leaves behind. Liquid chlorine leaves salt. It's sodium hypochlorite. And salt's pretty easy to manage, and it is a renewable TDS that's left in your pool. But then some chlorines, like tablets or sodium dichlorate, they have a byproduct called cyanuric acid. And that builds up in your pool kind of quickly to a point where we may suggest that you have to drain your pool a little bit to dilute that. And then some chlorine has calcium in it, and that calcium builds up to a point where now maybe you have hard water. I personally like sodium hypochlorite because that's a byproduct that's super easy to manage.
Using liquid chlorine, like Hossa Sanichlor, helps ensure crystal clear and safe water for swimming. You can easily introduce this powerful form of chlorine into your pool every day by using a simple liquid chlorine feeder from Hossa, known as the Hossa Liquid Feeder, or HLF. The HLF is a state-of-the-art daily sanitizer feeder designed to automatically introduce our high-performance liquid chlorine into your pool when your equipment is running, so no need for additional electricity. Take a trip to your local pool store or ask about Hossa Liquid Sanitizer and the HLF, or consult with a pool service professional. To learn more about the water treatment solutions we've discussed today, visit hossa.com or visit our website, designingspaces.tv.
Standing or runoff water can cause big problems in your home. But homeowners, fear not. It's time to put water in its place.
The most common drainage problems that people encounter are water accumulating around their downspout, water in their yard, water in landscape areas, water accumulating in their basement and crawl space areas, water in their driveway, and water accumulating around their pool and patio. And if not identified and treated properly or quickly, it could really diminish the homeowner's ability to enjoy their outdoor living area. So it's fairly easy for a homeowner to identify if they have stormwater issues around their property. Seeing soil erosion from rainwater, standing water on hard surfaces, whether it be your driveway or your patio, low spaces on your yard, like your lawn. If you have problems with lawn health, it's usually indicative of standing water. And probably the easiest way is during a storm event. You can see if there's water puddling on your property.
Meet Eric Purcell, a proud homeowner who's been struggling with standing water and runoff issues in his home after heavy rain.
Some of the drainage problems we've been having is standing water, mainly back on the side of the house and in the backyard, where it comes out of the downspout, and also around the pool pump collection. There's a lot of pooling water that we need to get out. I needed a professional to come out and do it the right way.
While water is an important component in having a beautiful yard, too much can sometimes really be too much.
Many homeowners with stormwater issues think they can resolve their problem by simply adding soil, sod, or changing the landscape, just to find out that they added more labor and more cost to the job by not taking care of the root cause.
When Dan arrived, we walked the property. Took a look at all the problem areas that I was having, all the spots where water was pooling, any issue that I was having. We made sure that we looked at it and came up with a solution.
After inspecting Eric's house, we came up with a plan to install 12-inch bases, 6-inch speedy bases, all tied into the easy flow French drain, moving water away from his house.
NDS has been an innovator in stormwater solutions for over 50 years. We were the first one to commercialize the plastic catch basin. We invented and commercialized the pop-up emitter, and we continue to bring new and innovative tools to help homeowners solve their stormwater problems. We have the Home Drainage Center on ndspro.com on our website. We have a mobile app for contractors and homeowners to download that will help them size the right system. We offer contractor training, both in person and online, so they can become more familiar with best practices for stormwater solutions. The consistent feedback that we receive from our customers and why they enjoy working with NDS is the quality of our products, which includes durability, ease of installation, fit and compatibility, superior value, as well as amazing customer service and support.
No wonder NDS has driven the residential stormwater solution business for over 50 years.
We are focused on customer success and making sure that both homeowners and contractors have a great experience installing our products.
Hey, installation day is here. Some of the problems that Eric was having is water collecting on the pool deck, water collecting in the yard, and water collecting at the bottom of the downspouts.
So a contractor really works hand in hand with the homeowner, walking the property, identifying where the problem areas are. They may consult with our website, with our technical services, and make sure that they're selecting and installing the right solutions. But really, it's a partnership between the homeowner and the contractor, identifying where the water is coming from, where the water needs to exit to, coming up with a plan to help move the water from point A to point B. So NDS is the only manufacturer that offers the breadth of solutions for both homeowners and contractors that they could purchase at either big box retailers or through wholesale distribution. We provide services and support to help both the contractor as well as a homeowner to identify and install the appropriate solutions if they want to take on that project themselves. Not only are we a leader in residential stormwater solutions, we also offer commercial stormwater solutions, drip irrigation for both professionals and homeowners, as well as fittings and flow products.
Super happy about how everything turned out. Water Oak did a great job using their NDS products. The drain is going to be great. No more standing water in my yard. The kids can play a little bit better. It's going to be awesome. I'm really happy.
At NDS, our goal is to provide homeowners with effective and aesthetically pleasing water management solutions. We recognize that your yard is not just a yard, but is an extension of your home's beauty.
Man, what an install. Eric, thank you for choosing Water Oak Irrigation to take care of your drainage problems. I hope all the products offered by NDS create the solution you were looking for your landscape.
Yes, sir. I appreciate all your hard work. Thank you.
Take a step towards a beautiful water managed yard and let us help you put water in its place.
To learn more about residential water drainage, go to ndspro.com and of course visit us at designingspaces.tv. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.